Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to delete user profile. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then let's here find and select the gear icon, the settings. If you tap it here, you can now use one of the following apps. So let me find and select the edit user. This is the edit user section right here. As you can see, you can swipe here to the left and see all the settings, but we are now interested in edit user. If you tap edit user, you can choose here the user profiles, so the first option. Let's just tap it. So in my case, I've got two user profiles, the guest one and the user test. Let me tap here the user test. So let's use this pencil right here. And now you can, of course, edit this user, or you can also delete it. In my case, let me delete it. Let's just tap delete. Would you like to delete the user profile? Let me confirm it by tapping yes. The user profile is deleted. So now, as you can see, I only see one user profile. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.